This video is intended to aid the trained service technician in repairing this particular Alto-Shaam oven. Do not attempt to repair this oven if you are not a trained service technician. Service technicians may obtain the proper training by contacting the Alto-Shaam technical service team. When repairing this oven, wear personal protective equipment and follow local codes and regulations. Contact the Alto-Shaam technical service team if you have any questions about how to safely and properly repair this appliance. The purpose of this video is to explain the steps involved in removing or replacing the door handle on a Vector multi-cook oven. Start by disconnecting the electrical power source to the oven. Install lockout/tagout equipment in accordance with your company's safety procedures. Open the door and remove the cover bracket. Next, remove the 3 screws securing the handle. Pull the light wires out of the door. The handle wires are taped inside of the door at the factory. Pull the handle wires until the connector comes out of the door. Disconnect the light wire connector. If the connector is not accessible out of the door, cut the connector off of the new handle. Then splice each of them using 2 Wago type connectors, part number CR34967. Connect the light wire connector from the new handle to the harness connector. Push the connector and wires into the door. Apply blue thread lock to the screws. Secure the handle with the 3 screws. Reinstall the cover bracket and close the door. You can now apply electrical power to the oven and verify the handle is working correctly. Finally, on the display, navigate to the service screen and test the door light is working as well. To access this icon, enter the passcode 6702. Verify that the door's latch and handle light are both working. This procedure is now complete. For more videos, please visit our website.